See, the first lot of helicopters, Apaches, that is 3 of them, they've reached Hindon today. And it'll take the ground crew to about 7 to 10 days to assemble them, and then they would be flown from Hindon to Jodhpur. So I presume another 10 days from now they should be operational at Jodhpur. And why Jodhpur has been chosen is primarily because, its proximity to the western borders, and primarily Apache is an anti-tank helicopter. It's in fact a dedicated anti-tank helicopter. So in the plains of Rajasthan, where, desert terrain exists, their utility is going to be phenomenal.
Sir, what's the exact specific role of this helicopter, and how pilot will be trained for that?
As I said earlier, these are primarily dedicated anti-tank helicopters. The kind of armament they carry is most useful in, armored warfare, wherein they can hit the enemy tanks easily. And as far as the pilot training is concerned, the first lot of our pilots got trained in the US mainland last year only. That is 6 of them, and 2 more have got trained with the Indian Air Force. So there is an adequate pool of pilots who are fully trained on Apache helicopters.
The local see impact of doing Apaches operational here to Jodhpur, the local, where impact in the locals as well?
It actually, to the local population, it doesn't make any difference, because the base where Apaches are going to be set up is a well-established aviation base already, where a lot of aviation infrastructure pre-exists. So in terms of locals getting affected just by the Apaches moving in, no. But definitely the primacy of Jodhpur as an important base, as a base where large amount of army aviation assets are kept, definitely improves.